OsmAnd. First thing you do after downloading it is configure your maps and download your maps so you don't have to have an internet connection, which means you can do this on an old phone with no cell service once you set it up. So anyways, I'm going to show you here we have different profiles. Motorcycle for me includes roads, just like the driving, which shows car. This green motorcycle that I don't know why it has a number after it, I'll change that one day. That's my one that includes off-road riding. So I'll show you the difference here. We're going to navigate from, let's see, or two. We're going to select on map. And let's find something here. Let's use that dot. And we're going to select our position on a map. Let's try somewhere in pace. Yeah, let's just select right here close to Highway 90. Air Products, Plant Road, and Pace to Arroyo Waterfalls. Okay, so this is just to get you there using roads, not worrying about dirt roads. And that's going to be 41.8 miles at 1 hour and 14 minutes. So we're going to change to my off-road, which has preferred dirt roads, and I'll show you that setting in a minute. And, well, there we go. In there is where we're going to change it. And watch it change the route. Once it finds the dirt roads, it's still looking for them, I think. And why did that do that? Still searching. It's routing. And there we go. Now it changed it. So now it's at 49.3 miles, 2 hours and 12 minutes, because it is going out of its way to find dirt roads to make it to the same location versus all paved. There'll still be some paved in there, but it's connecting as many dirt roads as possible. So that setting, I'll show you in here. Remember how to do this. Nope, settings. In settings, we're going to go into avoid roads. You want to turn off no unpaved roads. The rest of them you do at your own whatever. And then down here, don't turn on avoid four-wheel drive roads. Once you do that, you would hit apply. We don't have to here. Then you go down to navigation settings and route per, wait a minute. Yep, route parameters. The prefer, come on, prefer. There we go. And prefer unpaved roads, you need to turn it on like I have it. Once you do, you hit apply. And your avoid roads is also in this setting as well. There's multiple ways to get to some of that, but this is how you get to the prefer roads right here. Prefer unpaved. That is the setting that does the routing. Once you have it routed like we do with preferring dirt, you scroll down here, you tap right there, and then up here at the top you can print your turn-by-turn route. You can share your route as a GPX, or you can hit the download button and save it to whatever folder you want. It automatically goes to tracks. I have different ones for different kinds of tracks within my app. And then the show on map here, that actually, once it's saved into your OsmAnd app, it will have the red line on the map always showing whenever you turn the app on, showing that route, so you can choose to show it or not. And then you hit the save button and it saves your route as a GPX file, so that if your phone crashes or you have to reboot, you don't have to make the new route again. Once you've made it, you have the GPX file. And you can share it with other people if you're doing a group ride and you're sweep or tail gunner. needs to know the route as well. In case there's problems, he knows where to keep going without following. That's how you share the GPX. Hope this helps, and there we go.